In state space modeling, nth order differential equation is converted into n number of first order differential equation. Here I will derive state space model of DC motor in observable canonical form. Consider the model of a DC motor omega double dot plus 3 omega dot plus 2 omega is equal to u, where u is the applied voltage and omega is the output angular velocity. From the above equation, omega can be written as minus u minus 2 times of omega integration dt three times of omega integration dt. From this equation I will derive the state diagram. First I will consider this portion. So it has two components, u and omega. U is input and omega is output. So there is a summer. First component to the summer is u and the second component is minus 2 times of omega. The output of the summer will be integrated, so there is a integrator. So output of the integrator will be added up with minus 3 times of omega. So again there is some adder. This is the first output and the second output is minus 3 times of omega. Output from this adder will be integrated and this equal to omega. Now choose omega is equal to x2. So this signal is x2 dot and this signal is x1. So this signal is x1 dot. So the state vector xt is column vector, components are x1t and x2t, dimension is 2 cross 1, and the state equation x1 dot t is equal to minus 2x2 plus u. And x2 dot equal to x1 plus minus of 3x2. Now equation 9 and 10 can be written in vector matrix form. So the first state equation is x1 dot equal to minus 2x2 plus u. So here x1 dot is equal to 0 into 0 times x1 plus minus 2 times x2 plus 1 times u. And the second state equation is x2 dot equal to x1 minus 3 times of x2. So x2 dot equal to 1 times of x1 and minus 3 times of x2 plus 0 times of u. This is the state equation in observable canonical form. The dimension of rate of change of state vector is 2 cross 1. Dimension of the coefficient matrix is 2 cross 2. Dimension of the state vector is 2 cross 1. Dimension of the input vector is 2 cross 1 and dimension of the input is 1 cross 1. So it is similar to general state equation x dot t equal to ax plus pu. Now from the state diagram, omega is the output which is equal to x2. So the output equation yt is zero times x1 plus 1 times x2 plus 0 times u. So which is similar to yt is equal to cxt plus dut. Dimension of c is 1 cross 2. Dimension of x is 2 cross 1. Dimension of d is 1 cross 1. Dimension of u is 1 cross 1. So the dimension of y is 1 cross 1. So again this is a seesaw system and this is observable canonical form of DC motor model.